Hello everyone, welcome all of you in my channel SNT Power Vision. In this video I'll explain about what is the difference between count, distinct count and count rows. So let's start. A count returns the number of rows in a column including duplicates and blank. Distinct count returns the number of distinct value in a column excluding the blank. The count row function can be used with the filter function to count the number of rows that meet a certain condition. And count row returns the number of rows in a table or group. So we'll see in the more detail here. So this is our the sales table having delivery date, order ID, price, stock, store ID. So we'll see here how the distinct count and count row work here. So for that, click on the new measure. We'll see measure name, number of price is equal to count function sell price. This measure have been created here. Now take one measure. Number of distinct count. Format will be sales 2018-19 price. Here now take a table here. In this table we'll move the price and number of price. Now this is number of price total 86035 and this is the price. Now we will on the price item we'll click on the don't summarize. So we can see for this price 0.014, 0.25 occurred 54 times, 0.35 occurred 8 times like that. 0.75 occurred 1528 times. So like the total sum is 86035 here. Suppose we want like the 0.01, 0.25 like that how many values are there. So how I'll calculate here. So for that we have one more visual that is number of different price here. We'll move like that. Here if we see total are 519 and in this there is one blank is also included. It means for some of the item there is no price defined here. That's why when we do the count we are not able to see it here. So how will you identify the total how many are there? For that come to this price. Instead of advanced filtering go for the basic filtering. Now we can see for this blank total 2114 row. It means the count is not able to count function that is not able to count this blank row here. See, if we see the number of price here, we can see this value. When the number of price we are removed, we have given number of number of price. If we add here, we are not getting that blank value here, right? But when we do the number of different price, we then only able to find that there are some blank value here. So how will we identify the what is total number of rows in the given table? Here we can see there are blank value like that 2114 means for 2114 there is no price defined here. So will we use another function. count of total rows is equal to count rows. We can see here count rows. Cells here it's take only the table. So we'll do this is our count of total rows here. Now we'll move here. So we can see here the blank means for some of the price blank value was there. For the total number of rows 2114, and now total number of rows is 88149, means 86034 plus 2114. We can see 2114 means 88149 here. So I hope you able to understand the difference between count, distinct count and count rows. So please like, share and subscribe my channel SNT Power Vision.